Apple. This is my iPhone 6 Plus, my genuine iPhone 6 Plus. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, that doesn't sound okay. Where the hell is the screen, battery, camera, home, and home button? The camera, home button, I don't know. The battery expanded, and the screen was destroyed. That's pretty much all I gotta say. Now, why am I showing you a broken iPhone? Which I think it does work. I just don't have a screen or a battery to really, or a camera, should I say, to test it on. Okay, so you know how I literally just said that I needed the camera and battery, or the camera and battery? I thought it was gonna, you know, display onto 3utils, the program that I use to get my, you know, my phone that, you know, I record these videos on, off. But if I plug it in, which this is power, like the cable I'm using is connected to my computer. You don't hear a notification sound or anything. It's just silent. I could guess that it's this little, like there's a little bit of plastic hanging out, but I'm not entirely sure. But it doesn't power on, so yeah, that's good. It's probably because there is no battery or camera, or you know, a display, like a literal display. So it would have no way to really tell that it's on or not. This video is an unboxing of my brand new phone. It's getting me another iPhone because I'm not ready to go switch to Android, because I just want them to, you know, have some security before I properly do actually go over to the competitive variant of mobile devices, which is, you know, Samsung, Google, what's the bigger companies, Xiaomi or Razer, any of those companies. I don't want, mainly because they're stuck on Android, which is owned by Google, but that's because I hate the software because of how bad the security and updates are on there. Hence why I still use an iPhone. This iPhone that I'm recording right now is an iPhone SE 2nd gen, which the camera quality for this channel will not be changing whatsoever. However, I will be doing a review on what it felt like to use this phone for over 2 years. Now, I'm gonna go get the phone. I'll meet you guys when I have it. Yes, I got it in my hands. iPhone 12, is it gonna focus? It's not focus. Okay, it doesn't matter. iPhone 12 though, let's go. And USB, ooh, I really like that. Power adapter and headphones sold separately. No, don't worry, I've got both. Because the headphones are in my ears right now. I've got AirPods. If you didn't see the last video, look in the description. Apple. This is the iPhone 12. This is the, I don't know, this phone came out in 2020. It's like 3 years old. So, I mean, like 4 years of extra updates won't be too bad, right? We're gonna unbox it, but first, Apple. This is my iPhone SE 2nd gen. I've had this since about 2020, which is, oh, not since 2020, since 2021. It's time for an upgrade. I won't have a case for this, or like for this. I've got a case for this, but I won't have a case for this as I didn't get one, because where I got it from didn't have any in stock. So I have to go near where I actually, you know, record the main Dencorn videos. It's a long explanation. So we're gonna get into this. I've already done the plastic wrap. We're gonna just open it up. Ooh, that's sick. Holy crap. We're gonna just put this to the side for now. What do you get in here? Ooh, is that USB-C? I swear, if that's not... Oh, hell yeah, it's USB-C. That's, you know what? I'm happy. If it's USB-C, I'm happy. If it's USB like what my AirPods came in, I'm gonna lose it. I mean, okay, I'm also on a Discord call with Julia from Julie's Techspot. Link in the description, by the way. Go subscribe. No, it's like USB to Lightning. I wish, though. I actually wish it was the iPhone 15. Got the Lightning cable, USB-C to Lightning cable, and then, ooh, look at this. Nice little package. Let's see if we got Apple stickers. SIM eject tool, which I won't need because I have eSIM. iPhone garbage. And Apple sticker. I'm going to use this for something. Don't know what, but I'll keep it aside. Where to put this? Oh, I know.
Apple. But I have a SIM eject tool, which I don't think I need. Yeah, unlike the US variants of the iPhones, we have the SIM card slot still. So, there we go. We'll just dump that. We'll put that actually, straight. And then where's the cable? I'm going to just leave the cable in here because I don't have a power brick for this. So, I'm going to power it through my USB 1 instead. Which I do have power cord for that here. So, it's fine. Now, I'm going to rock this without a case. Hopefully I don't crack the back, at least. Or the front, should I say? Or, wait, moment of truth. Oh, it's dead. Cool. That's a good way to know that. It's probably been sitting in storage for 3 years. That's probably really good as well. So, I'll meet you guys when this is turned on. This may take a while, so I'll meet you guys when I'm back. It's turning on. Let's go. Oh, I heard sound. Hello. I've never used like the gesture system of Apple. I've always had home buttons. Australia. I have eSIM, so I don't know if this will work. Quick start. Okay. On. Sup? New iPhone. Continue. I don't know. It might be 17. I'm going to let this download. I'll meet you guys when the data process has finished.
So I've had the phone for, well, it's 8:11 p.m. now. I've had it on since about 3. Wow, that works really good. Holy crap. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to the whole like swipe interface and all that. But the camera quality and all that on this is amazing. I have 0.5, which you can't really see, but this has been a successful Dencorn video. Thank you all very much for watching this video. If you happen to enjoy it and you want to see more, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.